It's not done yet. In fact, we haven't even gotten into the main event, we'll say. So let's go ahead and talk about what we had yesterday. Some of you fairly impressive rainfall totals. Most of you close to 1/4 of an inch of rain. Just over 3/10 of an inch yesterday in Fresno, about 1/4 of an inch for those of you in Visalia. A little over 1/4 of an inch in Madera, and Lemoore Porterville, again, both very close to 1/4 of an inch. Since midnight, we've only added a few 1/100ths of an inch of rain, so very light for us overnight, but we do have an area of heavier rain that is moving back in. Here's what your radar looks like right now. Just a few sprinkles around Merced, but Madera, you're dry. Fresno, fairly dry, a little bit of drizzle, but nothing too significant. We do have some lighter showers in the foothills, and then our snow level's very high at around 8,000 feet. So let's go ahead and zoom into southwestern Fresno County. Here's I-5, there's Coalinga. You do have a pocket of more moderate intensity rain, and all this is pushing up to the north and east. So here on, you're going to be seeing your rain picking up, and then we'll move over to parts of Kings counties and Tulare County. So there's 43, there's 99, fairly light along those highways, but east of 99, northeast of Early Mart, you do have a pocket of heavier rain, and that's again heading to the northeast. So Porterville, you're going to be seeing some of that in about the next half an hour. This is everything put into motion. Again, if you aren't seeing the rain right now, it's coming our way. We have a lot of moisture that's down to our southwest, and that's just going to keep streaming in, all thanks to this area of low pressure. So this is going to hang around for the next couple days. Again, we'll be seeing the heaviest rain tonight through Thursday morning, but we still have some rain on the way throughout the day Thursday and into Thursday night. Let's go over that with your Futurecast. This is 7 o'clock this morning. This is doing a pretty good job of picking up on some of the dry spots, but again, foothills, higher elevations are seeing some moisture at this point. As we head into your lunch hour, it's going to be fairly scattered, so that's noon, and then afternoon hours hit or miss as well. I think that we do have just a very small chance at hearing an isolated rumble of thunder both today and tonight, but the better chance for storms does arrive tomorrow afternoon. So this is 5 o'clock, your evening commute. I think we'll have some wet roads, and then notice as we go into the evening hours, we'll start to see the more widespread and heavier rain picking up. So when we see these yellow and orange shades popping up on our Futurecast, it just means the very heavy rain. So that's 10 o'clock this evening, but watch the overnight hours. It really just doesn't let up. It's going to be heavy and very widespread, and I think very steady for most of the night. So that's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. I anticipate a very messy Thursday morning commute, so you may want to leave a little early. As we go through the day Thursday, we'll still see the scattered rain, and again, afternoon, evening hours, and early overnight is when we will have the chance at seeing some thunderstorms. Throughout tomorrow night, that moisture starts to move out, so by Friday morning, most of you will be dry, so it's 7 o'clock on your Friday. Friday, a much needed dry day, but take a look as we head into Friday evening. That's 7 o'clock. Up to our north and west, we do have our next system. That's a cold front, so that's going to impact us this weekend. I think that we will see a chance for a couple of weekend showers. All right, here's your rainfall forecast numbers. This runs through this evening. This is 7 o'clock this evening. For today, most of you will fall between 1/10 of an inch up to 1/4 of an inch. But take a look as we go through tonight. I'll stop this at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Some of you will pick up an inch of rain in the valley. And of course, if you're in the foothills, I'd say closer to 2 inches in some spots. And then throughout the day, Thursday, we'll add even more to the rain gauges. Some of you up to 1/2 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch. So by the end of tomorrow evening, we're going to see some very impressive rainfall totals. Flash flood watch starts today at noon, running through 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. That's for everyone in the foothills. Again, a couple of inches of rain are expected. Rock and mudslides, certainly a big concern, along with debris flows. And then for our winter storm warning, that's in effect through tomorrow evening. That runs through all the national parks above 8,000 feet, 2 to 3 feet of snow. Temperatures out the door this morning in the 50s, 56 in Fresno now, 52 Los Banos. All right, here's your extended forecast. We're on our way into the mid-60s today, 65 for that forecast high. Again, may get an isolated thunderstorm today, but the better chance will be Thursday and Thursday night. Very heavy rain on the way tonight and for your Thursday morning. 66 degrees for your high tomorrow, 63 degrees on Friday. Again, we'll be drying out throughout the day. Saturday, I did put in a slight chance for a couple of showers from that next system to our northwest. 62 degrees to start your weekend. Sunday, partly sunny. Monday and Tuesday, dry and warming. We do have our interactive radar at yourcentralvalley.com, so make sure that you're watching that today to see where the rain is.